Oh, I'm homeowner after long trip. My trip started actually 2015 from transition home. I applied first time home buyer. All my goal to own my house, and I worked very hard to get to this goal or to achieve this goal. I had many people help me, support me through many programs, through Fairfax County Housing Program, Self-Sufficient, Home Stretch, Virginia Affordability Housing Program. All people working over there, they support me. Without them, I can't make it. The goal is not for me. I have 4 kids and I need a permanent house for them. In your house, you will feel safe, secure. You will not worry about anything will happen to you. Nobody will ask you to leave, no increasing like lease and many stuff. It will be a lot behind.